There are 10 different ways you can use Claude AI to make real money right now. And I'm gonna walk you through every single one of them. But I have to warn you, not every opportunity is as good. So my goal with this video is to show you the best ones. My name's Fred, I run an AI-powered online course business, and my record is generating $5,000 in cash collected in 48 hours. I'm not talking about revenue, I'm talking about cash in my bank account. Actual revenue was $7,000. So when I tell you which side hustles work with AI, I'm actually talking from experience, it's not just a bunch of theory. So let's begin with side hustle number one. And this is the one you should really be paying attention to. It's selling online courses using Claude to build them. So here's how it works. You pick a topic people want to learn, it could be anything, and you use Claude to research it, structure it into a step-by-step course curriculum, and write out the actual lesson content. And here's the thing that changes everything for most people. You don't need to be the expert. You don't need years of experience or a fancy degree, because Claude can pull the best information available from across the internet and organize it into a clear and useful online course faster than you could ever do it by reading through 100 different sources yourself. Your job is just to pick the topic, make sure the content is accurate, and package it up. Once it's built, you can sell it with your own face and a personal brand, or you can use an AI avatar or a cloned voice and never show your face at all. Either way works. And the reason this one beats every other side hustle on the list is simple. You do the work one time and it pays you over and over and over again. By the way, if you want to learn the exact system I've used to make over 5 grand in 48 hours using AI and online courses, I've made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I did that step by step, so you can just copy me. The link is in the description below. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below. Side hustle number 2 is freelance writing using Claude to speed up your output. Writing blog posts, website copy, product description for other businesses, etc. It can work and it can pay you decently, but the problem is you're still trading hours for dollars. The moment you stop taking on clients, the income stops too, and you're basically just a faster version of a service you were already offering. Side hustle number 3 is writing resumes and LinkedIn profiles for people using Claude to structure the content quickly. This one's popular because it's easy to get started, but the market is getting flooded fast since literally anyone with Claude can offer this right now, which means prices are getting pushed down, and again, you're only getting paid when you're actively doing the work. Side hustle number 4 is managing social media accounts for small businesses using Claude to write captions and content calendars. This can bring in steady money, but again, you're on the hook constantly. Clients expect daily or weekly work, and if you go on vacation or you get sick, well, guess what? The work still needs to get done. So it never really scales past your own 2 hands. And if you want to scale this with a team, it's a lot of work and profits get lower. Side hustle number 5 is ghostwriting LinkedIn posts or newsletters for executives and founders using Claude to match their voice and turn out content fast. It pays decently per client, but it's built entirely on relationship. You lose the client, you lose the income, and there's no product generating money while you sleep for you. Side hustle number 6 is building sales pages and email sequences for other businesses using Claude to write the copy. This one can pay well per project, but every single project starts from zero. You're constantly hunting for the next client, and there's no compounding, no asset building up in the background while you work on something else. Side hustle number 7 is setting up simple AI chatbots or customer service assistants for small businesses using Claude's API. This can be a good one-time payday, but the technical setup takes real time to learn properly, and once you've built it for a client, that specific project is done. So you're always looking for the next one to replace the income. Side hustle number 8 is using Claude to translate or localize content for businesses expanding into new markets. It can pay per project, but it's competitive. There's a lot of people offering this kind of service already, and then again, it's still just you getting paid for your time rather than for building something that keeps paying you. Side hustle number 9 is offering virtual assistant services where you use Claude to help you handle emails, scheduling, and admin work for multiple clients at once. It can genuinely pay you a full-time income, a few $1,000s a month, but also it's one of the most time-intensive options on this list because you're managing multiple people's inboxes and calendars, and if you stop working for a week, that income completely stops as well. Side hustle number 10 is creating and selling prompt packs or Claude project templates for specific use cases, for example, templates for realtors or templates for coaches. This can bring in passive sales similar to a course, but the price point is usually very low. You're not going to charge $1,000 for that. People expect to pay $5 or $10 for a prompt pack maximum, not hundreds or thousands of dollars like they would for a full course. So you need a massive amount of traffic and sales just to make a real income from it. So look at these 9 again: writing resumes, social media, ghostwriting, sales pages, chatbots, translation, virtual assistant work, selling prompt packs. Almost every single one of them ties your income directly to your time, which means that the moment you stop working, the moment stops coming too. And that's my biggest problem with most of the side hustles that exist. Selling online courses is different because you build it once with Claude's help and it keeps selling even while you're asleep, even while you're working out, or doing a bunch of other things. And remember, you don't need to already be an expert to do this. You don't need years of experience. Everybody starts at zero. Claude can research any topic and help you turn it into a course. All you have to do is pick the subject and put it in front of the right people. That's the difference between having a side hustle that pays you for the hours you put in today and having a real business that keeps paying you long after the work is done. If you're serious about making money online with AI digital products, I made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I do that, step by step, click by click, so you can just copy me. It's completely free and you can get it by clicking on the link in the description of this video. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below this video.